In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Brainly subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few different ways to do this. So if you've subscribed via the Brainly website, you need to go to the website to unsubscribe. So head over to the Brainly website, make sure to log in, and then go to account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right hand corner. Then select subscriptions from the menu, then choose cancel subscription and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. Now, if you've subscribed via the Google Play Store, so I'll show you how to do this. So go to your Play Store on your phone, and now you'll be brought to the home section. Now from here, you want to click on your profile icon, top right hand corner of the page. And now from here, click on payments and subscriptions, then click on subscriptions. And now this is where all your active subscriptions are going to be. So go ahead and click on Brainly and then click on cancel subscription. And if you've cancelled before the end date, you can still use Brainly, the full version, up until that date. And now if you subscribe via Apple iOS, so go to open up your settings on your iPhone or iPad, then tap on your Apple ID at the top, then select subscriptions, find Brainly, then tap on it, then select cancel subscription and confirm the cancellation. After cancelling, your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period and you won't be charged for the next cycle.